IT issues can bring business operations to a halt, making efficient help desk support essential for productivity. With the rise of remote and hybrid work, IT teams are handling 16% more support tickets since the pandemic. As James Bishop, partner at Propel Technology, puts it, applying proven IT help desk practices not only enhances operational efficiency, but also builds user trust. Both are key to sustained success. A strong help desk starts with the right software. Choosing a tool with a simple interface and ticket categorization helps teams prioritize and resolve issues quickly. Automation can further streamline the process, boosting user satisfaction by 69% as agents focus on complex issues while simpler tasks get handled automatically. Adequate staffing is crucial too, especially with today's tech talent shortage. Having enough support agents to cover all time zones keeps service consistent and responsive at any hour. Service level agreements are essential to set clear expectations for response times, holding the team accountable and reassuring users. A robust knowledge base also speeds up resolutions, as agents can quickly access common solutions, saving time and effort. Finally, tracking satisfaction metrics and following up with users shows clients they're valued. Even a brief follow-up after each resolution leaves a positive impression and ensures service meets expectations. For a closer look at these best practices, read the full article on our website. And if you'd like more insights on demand, you can also add this podcast to your playlist.